As all of you know, we had a very successful operation yesterday at Keller, the exact place, Aglarkandi, Police Station Rajpur, in which 3 militants were neutralized. Unfortunately, one of our Jawans were martyred, and this was a group of Jaish-e-Mohammed, and this group was also, besides other terrorist activities, this group was also involved in attacking our Naka party 2 days back at Rajpura, in which we lost one Jawan by the name of Abdul Salam, a resident of Shupian. Again, an excellent operation, nicely coordinated between Army, Police, CRPF, and executed in an excellent manner. As far as Tala, like any other militant, he was designated, but the regional commander was Mahmood Bhai, as claimed by the spokesperson of JNU. Tala, maybe he was nephew, and I request, I'm thankful for the first time they have owned the militant, Pakistani militant. Let me complete. For the first time, they have owned a Pakistani militant. Yes, he is nephew of Maulana Azhar. This for the first time they are owning. Now we'll take up the matter with, through proper channel, we'll take up the matter with them, and we'll request this time very firmly, please claim the body and please take the body, because they have claimed, they have owned the militant that he is a Pakistani nephew of Maulana Azhar. ये हमारे जब ये आते हैं इन्फिल्ट्रेट करके हमारे एफआईआर में जाके रजिस्टर नहीं करवाते अपना आप, ताकि हमारे पास नंबर है. बट द थिंग इज जो आफ्टर डिफरेंट से वेरिफिकेशन या रिपोर्ट्स या सोर्स रिपोर्ट जो हमारे फील्ड स्टाफ करते हैं, उससे हमें लगता है कि अभी भी वी आर लेफ्ट विद अराउंड 16 to 20 cadres of Jaish-e-Mohammed in Valley.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.